Hey, if you're looking for a shade, this is it. This is legit.
Hi guys, Joe here from 75Built. We're here to talk today about the hitch umbrella system from Humbra, USA. This setup is compatible with any car or SUV or truck with a 2-inch hitch. Here you see the kids enjoying some shade on their bicycles. Notice how they are not getting a sunburn. The amount of shade that the canopy gives you is about 15 by 9 feet. It's just massive, and it really creates a good usable amount of shade for you if you're at the beach camping or doing shows like what we use it for. This umbrella really is perfect for all of the shows that we do around the San Diego area, for all the overlanding and off-roading events that we do. Just sitting there in the hot sun is not an option sometimes, so the Humbra umbrella just really comes in to save the day. It's the perfect option for anyone that wants to go tailgating. When the tailgate goes down, there's plenty of clearance. Now what we really like about it is the fact that we can just throw it in the back of the truck and go to a show, set up, and when we're done we can tear it down, we can put it away, we can store it. We don't actually have to have it set up permanently on the vehicle, so that's a total plus for us. And of course we use it down here in San Diego where it's always hot and sunny. It's just a necessity all of the time. You know, if we throw the boogie boards or the surfboards in the back of the truck, we also throw the Humbra in the back of the truck, no problem.
Hey, if you're looking for a shade, this is it. This is legit. Look at this ring. You got spot for chairs, sleeping bags if you're out camping. Doesn't get any better than this. Space for your boards, paddle boards. You can open up your trunk halfway so that you can get access to your stuff. So, look it up, check it out.
This is our friend Sergio, and trust me when I say that he knows what he's talking about. Sergio is out for some sun and surf today in Mission Bay. He loaded up all of his paddle boards on his Trailhawk and he's ready to go. The Humbra comes in multiple colors. What we see here in the video is obviously the sand color. As an affiliate of Humbra USA, 75Built actually offers you $25 off. To use this, just go to humbrausa.com and enter the promo code 75Built.